Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yo, if you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action, speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have go inside the description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yeah, those of you listening to the Jamaica Young Police channel and looking at this man for the maybe it's the first time you're seeing him. Some of you might know him, from his YouTube channel. You know that yes, this man name is Uglisome. Yeah, man, Uglisome. It's not a woman that you're looking at. Don't not because him face and what is not a woman. It's a man. Uglisome is a man. So I want you please to listen to this man telling us Uglisome operating a fake charity, scamming and ripping off Jamaicans in our diaspora who do not know that the man is a criminal-minded person. So you're going to hear it for yourself. You're going to hear some. As we say later, the Jamaica Young Police channel, only thing we'll give you the real mama papa truth. We don't make up story. So the rise and fall of a delusional pretender, Uglisome, exposed as a scam artist, feel lawman, feel entertainer, DJ, and a national embarrassment. I mean, hey, look here, a 7-time Uglisome, do the police test and feel, If you notice, I'm in a police business because his father was a blue bag. We have done some story about him father, because back in the days in the 70s, his father used to, people who are Kingstonian and remember back then in the 70s, in the 80s, you used to have blue seam police officer. Say you have blue seam, red seam, and then you have DC. But in a Kingston now, in a Kingston metropolitan area where I'm from, they used to call the blue seam police them blue bag. I don't know why them that and then now, because of we in Uglisome father now, them they start call them blue bag the donkey man, cause them they catch Uglisome father, Yeah man, police police catch Uglisome father. They are a donkey. So them just call them now blue bag the donkey man, and a blue bag kill a taxi man downtown. One shot in him head and kill him, and them charge him for murder. But back then, yeah, police are got prison and them thing they for kill people because Jamaican people were poor police. At the PMP, in the 1990s, along with Jamaican for Justice, fuel this anti-police rhetoric and messaging to and create this big time. It was there a long time, but them ramp it up. So Uglisome father You know, just to give some context and background. So Uglisome father was spared from, being arrested and charged because of Joe Williams. Joe Williams, so when Uglisome father joined the police force, then you have to have bigger than Bigfoot. You have to smart. Because blue back then, the are just numbers. You understand? Because there were so many jobs in Jamaica that nobody know if to be a police. People who want to be police are people who are patriots, and you understand. When people hear the national anthem and the pledge, them stand at attention and not anymore. So, you understand. So, it's time for Jamaica. Here's the unfiltered and unvarnished and undeniable truth about we in Uglisome. A man who has spent his entire adult life trying to fool the masses, spinning lies, wearing costumes of legitimacy, and pretending to be what he never was: smart, talent, honest, or patriotic. When you look at Uglisome, I look on him face, you can't see lie. You can't see lie on one side, propaganda on the next side, and you can't see him out like some beat out pum pum, as my great grandaunt say, yeah, hold pum pum, we grew up on her, I saw him out, look, that's what she say, I tell you. Yeah, so Uglisome now, a 7 time he tries, 7 tries, 7 failures, 0 integrity. Let's start with the cool hard facts. We in Uglisome try not once, not twice, but 7 times to pass the Jamaica Constabulary Force entrance exam and fail at every single time. Let that sink in. And this time, man, have him up a I don't even think them people they are sheep or following, because I don't know if Vibes Cartel people them smart and film people them are them I see them. The test that thousands of young Jamaicans passed, serve and protect their country. We in Uglisome could not clear it. That wasn't a glass ceiling. It was a mirror reflecting back on his own academic incompetence and mental unfitness. 7 times the man do it, Hey, everything, and him try, and guess what? Uglisome now, then him try to become an artist. That's why he made police still doing it, because through them, he never looking like Chucky Bone, because Chucky Bone then place Chucky Bone in Air Force in a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, place Chucky Bone in a police force. But him that prison now, because him did dance like a bat and him still dance. A good thing, Uglisome not supposed to have up the police them, because if they force him in like Chucky Bone, maybe me that prison. So him forgive thanks and stop care bill if he police them. But anyway, Uglisome from field cop, field to become a cop, to a fake dancehall star. So I don't know about you, but I have never heard a music play on the radio here in Jamaica about Uglisome. I have never seen Uglisome on a posters, seen Uglisome advertised in a stage show or a dance. Uglisome was never an art artist, never. It's since this YouTube thing, me see you and they must say, boy, I'm an artist. And for almost 40 years, I try to bust like Tiger. And boy, I tell you, it's like that iron balloon. The balloon was a fly, so and you can't, not even nuclear can bust the balloon. And Uglisome are nearly 70 now, so I don't know him, you understand. So, he man able to make it in law enforcement. Uglisome turned to the stage, but instead of rising, become a rising star like a true artist, he clung like a shadow to other people's style, imitating dancehall legend Tiger for over 40 years, yet never once produced anything that chart and Billboard top 100,000. Remember, when I talk about 100, when I talk about 100, I talk about 100,000. So you have all people from India and Africa and that time, Uglisome don't make that the list there. So you understand? Let alone the top 100. Let's not mince words. He feel miserably. Not because the system is against him. Not because of sabotage. He feel because he's simple isn't good. No originality, no talent, no work ethics, just loud mouth, barrow flair, and a mouth full of lies. Yeah. Him mouth full of lie, and him mouth like some big beat out pum pum. I mean, you ever say I want a little grey here, they will come up to. So one thing for sure, Uglisome excels at lying. Yeah man, Uglisome a good liar, him lie bad. Yeah, that's me, I tell you, believe you me. So now, if you are looking for raw, class talent in deception. Uglisome deserves a gold medal. You know what I mean? Him lie bad. He is without a doubt one of the most convincing liars ever to a Jamaican internet space. He tells lies so well that even those who know he's lying still like him for it. Uglisome, my uncle man, will tell lie and people know same lie and then like him for it. That is not charisma, it's the psychological grip of a sociopath. You understand? But we must credit the devil. It's still, you know, when Uglisome is persuasive, he masters the art of manipulation, distraction, and deflection. He talks the loudest when he's the guiltiest and blame others before accountability ever crosses his mind. So the scam behind the charity. So him have a fake charity where I tell, so boy, I'm have, because you know, so him register business, say, man, when him call her Mama Angie, I don't know which man call him woman Mama. Yeah, you know, actually miss him mother still, though, you understand? So, and now the mass is falling apart. Jamaicans, especially those in Rockford, are speaking up. Wayne Uglisome has been posing as a youth advocate, claiming to run a charity for the youth. Yet to date, not a dollar has been delivered, not a youth empowered, and not a soul saved. Why? Because it was all a lie. He set up a fake charity, beg money, like him blind, you know what I mean? You go hear them on attack and them thing there. You know, beg money from unsuspecting viewers and fans, and yet to produce a single receipt report or result. If them people report Uglisome in them, I got jail, you know, for fraud, you know. You can't do them things and not tell people say you're on charity and you know deliver anything. This isn't just deception, it's criminal. It's scamming with a smile and sweet talk. This is not a misunderstanding, this is a con. One brave Jamaican. So this is another Jamaican now we are here now. When I say Uglisome try to scam, him try to con Shabarang's cousin, you know. And the man expose him big time and then him start lick out upon the man and say, oh, the man had this and that. And we believe the man because we know so Uglisome a criminal minded person. And we know him criminal background. You understand? So one brave Jamaican who saw through the smoke screen has exposed Uglisome for what he really is. A scammer, a con artist, a traitor to the people. Yeah man, so I would tell already say Uglisome a scammer, a con artist and a traitor to the people. He's been pocketing money meant for the youths and living off sympathy and lies. He's wicked and dangerous. No such thing as an honest thief or liar. Let's be clear, there is no such thing as an honest thief or an honest liar, scammer or propagandist. Wayne Uglisome is not misguided. He is calculated. Every scheme, every fake post, every appeal to sympathy is a part of a long con to build influence, steal money and destabilize the truth. So if you go to the channel, you will see evil where Uglisome and the former FBI agent Wilfred Rattigan and you hear Dr. Rupert Francis and Dr. Herbert Nelson, and them expose Uglisome, you know, so you're going to, if you know, we have a playlist on the Jamaica Young Police channel for Uglisome, and Uglisome is just Uglisome video. You just go there and you see Uglisome. If I say, you go in a dictionary and type in Uglisome, I just see him face here as he come up. Because in ugly plus some. I just saw it if you understand maths. So now Uglisome now, he's attempting to wedge himself into Jamaica's national conversation as a man with a record. A failure, fraud and deception deserve to be listened to. He does not. Jamaican in the diaspora must wake up. Wayne Uglisome is not a patriot. He's not even a decent, honest or ethical man. He's a proven failure, a liar, unconscionable liar, a talentless imitator, and a threat to the Jamaican people's trust. Every time Uglisome open his beat out pum pum mouth, he insults the intelligence of those who sacrifice and serve this country with honor, that of Jamaica. So if you love Jamaica, you will call out the liar, shun the scammer, and expose the traitors. And we in Uglisome, he checks every box. Let us reject this fraud once and for all. Jamaica deserve better. So we are going to let you listen to a man, unfiltered and edited, telling us about Uglisome or Uglisome scam him to over $1,000, maybe more to. And him say a whole heap of other people to when him talk say, or him set up charity and for build studio for you. A lie, pay lie, thief. If them report Uglisome, him gone to jail. You understand? Them thing in America, him that Canada, them thing they call wire fraud. Wire fraud. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. And we can't tell you this. One thing when I tell life on people, I want to make up story to get views. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
Come here, me send me a couple of videos about a week ago. Where I say this guy and Golden and better than Andrew and time of a podcast now about it, you know.
You didn't know so Mark Golden is not a Jamaican?
Yes, me know that.
So if you suppose a man who is a Jamaican, a man who is a foreigner, it's a 2025, we're not a slavery anymore.
Well, here waiting, you know, when he must say, and like me say, I left Jamaica when I was very young. Left Jamaica when I was 16, so that's why I go back every 3 months to try to connect back and ray. But what am I say? Golden Father was the first man to build a hospital at Jamaica.
Look here. Let me tell you something in case you do not know. But hey, you see, reading is paramount, you know. You see, Mark Golden Father, named John Golden. That the man who bring polio and infect. You see, just like when they got Africa infect our people in Africa with AIDS, he went to Jamaica and infect the people in Jamaica and give them polio. And then him claim say him treat them. We never have no polio in Jamaica until that man arrived there. Okay? May I send you the video? May I send it?
Come here, man, a Rasta Bridge in Jersey, you know, man, loon someone. I'm talking about Golden and I'm sending some video Golden Father do. I'm saying, really? I never know that. But you see, in the social media days and now, everything are fake, you know, brother.
No, look here. May I make you listen to the thing? You see, the man, they're not a patriot, you know. The man, they're a crime. You support law abiding citizen and law enforcement, and you listen to the man. You know, you're the man that call police or police are murder the youth them. Who you think him attack? Are you criminal them attack, you know?
Wow.
So you know say criminal them attack?
No, I never know. Come on, as I say, police murder one and brother and whatever. But me I say, why did that happen? Cause me even call me having number personally, me call him and ask me, you know, why? But you know what, like they said, me not did it, yeah, I hear film side, me don't know nobody to hear the other side. So of course,
Uglisome a criminal man. Him got a prisoner in England. If you go on the channel and listen, a youth where he used to be friend with a youth of England. Even a man know that England, I don't remember his name right now. He's on the channel. Him a big rapist and him used to rape him name Rat in England. Rat. England, him rape a whole heap of people. Him and Uglisome was big friend. He's on the channel so. Where the people them call them out and them things.
I got do my research on your thing and figure it out. I know say India, Canada, you know. You know this I'm merciless and couple artists. Even do this studio thing. I say really? Then me just notice everybody just drift away from him.
The man a criminal. The man a big. You know much people the man send a prison. And that's to make him there in England. A PMP give him clean police record. That's why I'm there in England. The man a deportee.
Jesus Christ.
So you never. So that's why I tell you now. So you have a brother now when him So you have a man named Dr. Herbert Nelson. I'm gonna make you listen to him. I send a video to him and him thing there. This is not a man where me and him a friend. And him and Uglesome the man the whole of them. So that's how are you going to hear all them operation when them are trying to overthrow the Jamaican government or it was destroyed. I was the one that infiltrated them organization and destroyed and dismantled it.
Wow.
Yeah, man, you're going to hear it. For over 4 hours, Dr. Herbert Nelson, he exposed the FBI agent guy named Wilfred Rattigan. Because a thief, them in a thief all money and them thing, you know. Rattigan, Uglisome. Uglisome and Rattigan, my friend, you know. No more, you know. You never, so you never know that?
No, we never know that.
Well, because you're going to hear Herbert Nelson, I tell you. I got Herbert Nelson, over 4 hours, I'm up on the channel, him call me. Yeah, hear Herbert Nelson, I tell you, say, what Rattigan say, Uglisome dunce like bat. And him
yeah, man, I know that.
All him have to do is just tell him things to make him feel nice and him get him to do anything. And when them go to Canada, him tell Uglisome say, like the intelligent people them, you don't talk to them, you know, just talk to the dummy them and them thing there. Wow. Them know same no intelligent. You go and hear it for yourself and them thing there. Them man don't mean Jamaica no good man. Them man they are criminal, you know. You never know that.
Right. Well, I tell you something heartbroken. We couldn't believe so. Come here, so if you are law-abiding citizen, come we got people always oh Jamaica, we got Jamaica every 3 months and nobody know. Come me know they on the gully side, me know they do nothing illegal. Like me say,
look here. The man got prison at England for coke dealing. If you go on the channel, so you all hear that a man.
I got type it in as me hang up with you, man. Me not go make
me send the Herbert Nelson one to you and them thing. But if you go through my channel, you will see a whole heap of thing about the man. I want to with him to one them thing. Me can't tell you. It's a man who's a pathological. It's a man who lie on him now, no conscience. Big time.
Wow.
Yeah, you understand. And just like well, you know, it's surprising, you know, you say, you know, you would have killed the criminal them for free. But poor you not even know say Uglisome is a Uglisome call him, you know. And you hear the history on him thing with me and him. Uglisome lie him.
We know that.
So you what somebody when you know say lie. You don't do that, man. You have to supposed to say, you have to stand.
Later part of the days, you know, I think the last part of last year, we find out because we have talked to other people. Listen, because most of my friends them in New Jersey, they must say, yo, you don't know Jamaica young police. You say, yo, man, listen to you, man. Yo, man, I burn out Lonesome, and then you used to tell them about Lonesome, and then you used to give any man, and say, yo, Lonesome, I think about last year, November. Yo, Lonesome, a thief, you know, I say, really? So I later part of last year, I find out say my teeth.
You know, I release a video this week with a brother where I try one of Shabarangs, cause where I try can, and you're the man talk for himself. Shabarangs, the DJ, Shabarangs' cousin, with our Trinidad.
Oh, Jesus. Never come up on the channel and listen. What do you think, man?
Yeah, man. But if you want even more material on them thing from the channel and them thing there, all you have to do is go we have a thing we name the Patreon and them thing there. You join the Patreon and you will learn so many things. You will learn things where you don't even. First video I seen about Uglisome, I seen about the brother when name the brother when name thing there. Shabba cousin when him try scam. I send it to you. I'm gonna send you one with the brother. He used to work with the CIA. That Herbert Nelson. I ain't going to. What your first name? I send a video them and them thing about Uglisome and what name there? What brother name? Herbert Nelson and Dr. Herbert Nelson. A man who used to work with the CIA, him and Rattigan. I mean infiltrate them group, man, and dismantle it. That's why I don't see them with that demonstration again and everything there. That was one of my baby and everything there.
Yeah, because I put this in my heart. I mean, I know, when it was the original channel that me having closed down, now I see him do a different thing.
Oh, Uglisome?
We get so busy with work.
Uglisome?
Yeah.
Him not have regular scene again.
No, but different from me see a stream, you know, with him. Come on.
How comes?
Why I mean, I know, you know. Remember, I say I went up a channel and then, you know, do music with Merciless and a few other artists, and you see, the artists end up speaking with themselves from them.
But Merciless dead on them thing, the ugly, you know.
Yeah, before him dead.
Hey, look here, in my only artist, Uglisome, Iron Balloon, you know. the man, only artist that we are trying to bust, he past 40 years and can't bust, you know.
Yeah, and his son, he always say his son, I go music, I come out and nothing, I come out. Them at the studio, them keep all party, I Canada and he flop, Mr. say flop.
Because the man a big, the man a big informer, a whole heap of people him in a prison. Enough people Uglisome in a prison. But me have a whole heap of playlists and them thing on the channel.
I got join it, man. Don't worry yourself. I join the Patreon thing right now. Come see you send me a video, so.
Yeah, man. Me say them more video and them thing there. You understand? That one video where I try Khan Shabarang's brother, Shabarang's cousin and them thing there. And he's whole heap more. And you're going to hear about. I can't believe say if you know say a man a liar and you when the man they lie, the man a lie without mercy, you know.
No, but me learn about the line, the later part of last year, like November. That's why I just basically start taking myself from him now. Somebody used to call, yo, me I gotta do this. Me I do this charity. I need some money. Help me out with my charity.
And that's it.
I have to build back Jamaica and rare. I say, yeah, man.
And that's
anything positive. I mean that.
And that's it. So that's it. Hey, look here. Say you know say.
I know one a winner. A whole heap of winner. Whole heap of win to that. Yo, me I want my friend in New Jersey. Man did him something to you know.
When scam.
Well, yeah, come and do a charity. And I said, don't we can't see charity kick off.
I like the man a thief, man. Uglisome a thief and liar. The man they are pathological. The man they are wicked, you know. If the man tell lie on a dead donkey get up and run, man. Dangerous boy, may I tell you. You understand? So that's it, because even same brother, the video I'm seeing with the brother and them thing, you're going to hear it for yourself with the man where him stays and I try rob the man how much $1,000 and them thing. But you don't know, so the man come from ghetto and the man they not idiot like other Jamaican and them thing, you understand? Ghetto people you can't fool them, especially a man who come from you understand what I'm saying? Because he come from Seaview.
Yeah.
You understand? So Uglisome we not try see if him could have can him and them thing, but it not work out. Yeah man, I hear him and them thing there. Expose Uglisome, wicked. Say man a thief and them thing there. But hey look here, if me know say somebody a liar than them thing there. And the reason why I call him Uglisome is because him ugly, you know. And him ugly plus some. You understand? Yeah man. Then you know say the man I'll drop asleep. Uglisome I'll drop asleep. Last year in December, him drop asleep in our bathroom in our mall at Canada. And a security. Alarm go off and a security come find him in there.
Wow.
Uglisome a liar, man.
Wow, I don't know about that. I first hear about that. Let me say to get seriously busy about last year August would work. So really look on him channel, but there's no say me not hear about that channel. You know normally YouTube that new video upload, like or if you upload a video, you just right away or whatever, or him or whatever.
Yeah.
You know this thing nothing I say wait. No, but this week no, I see a new channel, like you create a new channel. I mean, so I look and see how it is. I missing it. Music animal do this animal. Mark Golden, the PNP are gonna lose. Andrew Holness and Andrew Holness are gonna lose. Mark Golden for the people. And so I mean, listen thing. I'm just saying.
Mark Golden is for the people, and Mark Golden is for the criminals. Mark Golden, the first politician in the 21st century where March would have known murder right now, from my community, you know, a boy named Danville Palmer. He did on my channel. Last year, Labor Day, March with a boy named Danville Palmer, a known killer.
Yeah, but them say Vice Cartel support. So
no, Vice Cartel not support the PNP again.
Oh yeah?
Because them say man make him lose him visa and them thing there.
How about that? Intentional let him out, brother. That man is not in jail, see.
Well, no, that's me telling you on them thing there. I longest live I go see. You're going to see what happened on them thing there. You understand?
I'm waiting.
Yeah man. I send you a playlist with British people and them thing there, and you will see Uglisome. The amount of people and them thing there in England. Them man can't even go back to Jamaica, you know.
Me know that. Me see.
Yeah, man. Because the amount of enough man him send from out of Rockford got prison him that England. I saw make him that Canada, you know. I PMP him did that prisoner in England. And you're going to hear it from the brother when name Herbert, Dr. Herbert Nelson. You understand? Yeah, man, this is not like you hear from me and them thing there. You hear from people who know him intimately. On the channel, you're going to hear it. Yeah, man, all a man where we know him before him go to prison and them thing there. And the man I tell you about him and our next brother where we mash up a part of England with them coke selling and them thing there. And he was a big informer to over England where him.
Not even my own brother if I sell coke and turn him in. No, none of this.
Well, I saw him roll on them thing there, you understand? When him got England and them thing there, he must sell coke. And in a film place, we might work with the police them. And in a film place, where him go? Make the police them record the people them and them thing, and that's because through the police them radar, and he might try to save himself. That's how him do people them, you know. You understand?
Wow. A dangerous person though.
Yeah, man, a whole heap of people in a prison, man.
Very dangerous. Alright. Well, we have information and we're gonna stay positive and go on watch your thing and educate ourselves about it and see.
So I want to know about, so you subscribe to the channel?
Yeah, man, subscribe, man. Long time subscriber, man.
I never know so the man a scam you to, man. I tell
know what we, you know, brother, because we like chucking in us a whole heap of we.
A fraud that still learn if you collect money for charity, you know, and him not give back anything to your people, them know. I see.
Years. I tell you for years, this a man, I know this a man. Want to charity and want to do this and want to do that, and I say, wait. Everybody have the same thing. When this thing will kick off, nothing can kick off.
So when say, what did he say that he's going to do?
Well, when I think that they more build a community center, you know, like what my father and I do, I say, it's all right, brother, you don't have to be where you from and me from, as long as it benefit all Jamaican cow. You will have one, no matter if you come from Spanish Town, no matter if you come from St. Mary, St. Thomas, it no matter. At the end of the day, we all are one. So
how much money you donate to him? And he must.
He's doing some over profit, not one shot, but over $1,000. Other people give more.
So you must scam the people them from your own community too.
Yeah, man.
Evil. You can't collect money. Say you are gonna do something. You know, do it. You know that are dishonesty. But as look here, I don't know honest criminal still though. You know. You understand? I don't know honest criminal and them thing. Now Uglisome is not Uglisome. You know, Uglisome a criminal. You know, the man a criminal. Look here. Uglisome, you know, him used to carry a gun on him thing there for Jard Flash and Tony Brown in there. He was gun bag out of Oliver Road, you know. Yeah, man. Uglisome was gun bag out of Oliver Road too. But I just give a touch a taste of one I think them with him, you understand? Yeah, man, you're going to find out some things. There's so many videos I have on the channel about him and them thing where people call and talk about him, just like how you talk about him now. So all I know I build is a community center. Which part him say I build it? Because if you build community center, if you have land.
Rockford. But you know, we realize we just learn now. So we ain't loan some now, no land, none of them stuff there. Nothing. All the studio when claims say, what? Help. This is another thing to do. Panic community center, I have a studio where young youths them instead of take up crime, them can go and do, you know, whatever talent they have.
Alright, well may I ask you this. You ever hear when the crime them are going out there, you ever hear him calling the youth name where I get trouble out there? you ever hear him calling nobody name where I get trouble? You ever hear him look up on criminal yet?
Yeah, that's true. I just still don't think about it now, that's true.
Then you understand. The man May I say a playlist even the one with the Rattigan, so Rattigan, Uglisome and the whole of them. Herbert Nelson upon it and them thing there. You're going to hear the things that the man in love Jamaica, you know, man. The man they just is what's in it for me.
Yes, I know a lot of people who come from. We have some friends that come from CB and other places. I see them share the same passion where they claim to love Jamaica, but yet still they mash up your community with drugs and other things.
Well, that's them stay. Look here, it's a PMP. Look here, a PMP community. Me born and grown in Belly IBC, you know. Which where me come from, you know. Where I am from and them thing there. That I wish for criminality, birth of criminality. So no guy will come from out of East, Rockfort, Warwick Hill. Them a Johnny come lately. I am from the community which were criminality birth, which were the baby born, Jonestown.
Yes.
Bury boy and fed them up.
Yeah man, fed them up.
Okay, you understand? Michael Manley, that's how it started and them thing there. So that's what Uglisome and them man don't like me, you know. Cause me talk truth and them thing there. So like for them now, them say boy, me born and grown in a PMP community, I'm gonna talk the things. Me love Jamaica, so I go always start the truth. Me not tell no lie for nobody. Me say give me the book and not the gun. You understand?
Yes, and number two, here where things hit no man. The problem is not a PMP problem, it's not a labor problem.
No, look here. Between me and you, the problem we have at Jamaica, we want a PMP problem. You look what happened this week. This week what you see happening in Jamaica, when everybody a march and I support the police in a blow. You see, you notice who support the criminal? A PMP. Jamaican for Justice, you know, say Jamaican for Justice is a part of a PMP criminal organization.
Yeah, well, I know, man. We have some people link me, and I say, yo, when the bad man them do them thing, and the police murder them at that time, when JFF come out.
Yeah, but me ask you if you never know that Jamaican for Justice is a part of a PMP party.
No, I didn't know.
Well, I know. And so that may I tell you now, because me come from a Belly IBC. You see the fist? You see the fist where them use as them logo? That's a PMP logo. Jamaican for Justice, NIA, that's how Trevor Manuel, all of them entity there are part of a PMP criminal organization. You will never hear them criticize the PMP or condemn about anything because a part, them are agency, branches of the PMP. When them peer, they are the only political party in Jamaica who have a human rights group who defend criminals. 98% of youth them are prisoners in Jamaica right now, even in America and around the world. If you look on them address where them come from, where them born and where them grow until they get arrested, a PMP community. A 2% of labor them in a prison. As of you know about data, data is king in this world. So we have to give respect to data, and most of our viewers and subscribers are elderly people, and some of them can't really go to the 1 hour. At times they will do it, but they complain about it. So we have to just keep it at least under 40 minutes of them. At least, we have come to a consensus with that. So this is going to be a 2-part series. So this is part 1 of this 2-part series. Those of you, if you want to watch it in its entirety, you can, join Patreon. Cause a harm on a leg. It's not like we're trying to get rich over here. It's just to keep the website going, and things that we can post there, we can't post to YouTube. And remember to subscribe to the other channel that we have. United we win. That divided we lose. That. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.